Hello folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches, Virgo Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier, three very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. And now this is a massive opportunity for you folks. They will help you build your online income up to $10,000 a month. So click that first link in the description below. Now back to my review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR, just like this one. It shows you how you can modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. It includes a Word document, a PDF file, images, and a PLR license. And you can use this document to increase your sales using PLR. The second bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic. And that is so that you can make money online. You will reach your online income goals quickly and easily. And the third bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. And the fourth bonus will show you how to create a passive income. And this is a crucial thing. It's a passive income that is recurring, and you can do it with ease. And the final bonus will show you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending about 15 minutes a day running the entire system. And not only that, you receive a done-for-you high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. In a nutshell, you can get excited with instant access to high-quality 180-plus Italian recipes with 100% full unrestricted use rights to use and resell and profit from this product effortlessly. Now here are a few things you should know about this product. You can make use of the ebook. It is an ebook guide in your projects. You can rebrand the ebook any way you want. You can resell it and keep 100% profit to yourself. And you can start your own blog membership website with it. And you could put your name on it as the author, and you can do anything with it that you feel is legal within your product promotion. After all, this is PLR. Inside, you're going to find Italian sauces, Italian soups, Italian ministeri, beef, veal, lamb, recipes for sweetbread, calf's head, liver, fowl, duck, game, hare, rabbit, Italian vegetable dishes, macaroni, rice, and polenta, and all kinds of other pastas, and more. The sales funnel looks like this. The front end, you will get instant access to 180-plus Italian cookbooks collection with full unrestricted use rights, and 2 bonuses. And those bonuses are healthy salad recipes and juicing for vitality. And that's for $15. Now, there are some upsells, so watch for them. They include done-for-you cookbook collections, chicken recipes, crock-pot recipes, and done-for-you weight loss carb cycling. And if you need to know more, click that second link below and get the full story. And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a monthly in that first link below. And I can't recommend this enough, folks. So make sure that you click on that one. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. They show you how to gain reoccurring income online easily, and how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And finally, they show you how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.